In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online. And let me just dive into the point. My name is Dennis. What I do, I coach and help you, give you different tricks and different ways on how you can really crush it online and make some extra income. So let's take a look at the first thing that you're supposed to focus on, and this is affiliate marketing. I'll be explaining what is affiliate marketing and how you can really make good money from affiliate marketing. So make sure to stick around with me on this video, and also make sure to hit that subscription button below. Make sure to drop your comment, make sure to drop a like, and I will really appreciate. The other thing that I'll be showing you on how you can really make money online is using YouTube. The third thing will be freelancing. I know you've heard about freelancing, but I'll be going into details about this, and I'll be showing you what actually you can be doing to really kick it off and to really start. And the other part will be transcribing. I'll be showing you a tool, and I'll be giving you a free bonus on how to use Google Docs on Google Chrome to actually make your work easier and faster so that you may make more money. And the fifth one will be digital marketing. So stay tuned with me. Always remember to hit that subscription button, and also remember to drop a comment and let me know where you're tuning in from. So have I been able to make money online? Yes, I want to show you a couple of results. This is $140, this is $136, and this was on July 1st 2020. This was on July 1st 2020. You can see $7. I also sell some digital products. So what I'm explaining to you here, these are some of the things that I've been able to do, and these are some of the things that I am actually doing right now and I'm continuing to do. So pay attention to this, and also make sure to walk with me up to the end of the video. These are some of the courses I've been able to sell to different people with some of the companies that I'm partnering with. You can see here's a commission of $10, $10, $10, 21, 21, 21, 21, and also I was able to be featured as the top in our company's leaders board. So that's why I'm telling you I'm really qualified to show you. So let me walk you through some of the things that I'm going to be sharing with you, and also let me be diving in exactly what you'll be walking through. Let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is one of the largest search engine optimization apart from Google. As soon as you jump into YouTube, you're able to watch videos and you can see different ads inside there. So how can you really make money from YouTube from just copying and pasting? Let me just jump out of my presentation and let me jump into YouTube. So when you get into YouTube, I want you to take a look at this. Just type fastest trends. In the fastest trends, I want you to take a look at the views. How many views are these? 10 million, 24 million, 1.9 million, 6.9, 374. So how can you make money from these exact videos? These videos that are common. All you just need to do is think and become creative, create an amazing catchy thumbnail. Thumbnail is this picture that you see, it's appearing here. Top 10 fastest trends in the world. So how can you be able to upload such videos so that you may not be blocked with YouTube, and so that you may monetize your channel and get paid from the views and hours people spend on your channel watching your videos that you've just reposted from YouTube? So here's how you do it. Let's say, for example, you type fastest cars in the world, right? You can actually just look for something that you're passionate in and something that you think you can actually be creative and innovative and create something from there. So what you want to do here, you want to click filter. After you've clicked filter, make sure to come to Creative Commons. All right, Creative Commons. You click Creative Commons, and what Creative Commons means is these are videos that YouTube already allows you to upload in your channel, and you will not have any copywriting you'll not have any copywriting strike. All right, so what will happen is, let's say, for example, you want to just take the top 10 fastest cars in the world, and take a look at this. This is a Creative Commons video. You can actually come, take this video, upload it into your channel. After you've uploaded it, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can upload it actually, and let me show you how many views this is getting. Take a look at this. This is 12 months, and remember, this is a Creative Commons video, and it has gotten 1.2 million views. So how can you get on the, how can you download this video? Just come, click on it, right? After you've clicked on the video, you can come here, copy video URL, then come on Google. Just come on Google. The content that I'm providing in this video, do this: go down, hit the subscription button below, and also do me a favor, drop where you're tuning in from so that I may provide more content based on your region. Hit the subscription button below, and with that, let's get back to the content. And Google YouTube video downloader. Downloader. Okay, so hit the button, and then you can see it will bring you a couple, and then come click on that. The first one, you can just copy, you can paste your web to your URL and start downloading your video. You can see here's the video. You can choose 1080, and your video will start downloading in your PC. And what you want to do is you can just come into your YouTube channel and take these hashtags. These are hashtags, and hashtag your video, and it will be featured as one of the top videos, and you will start making money from that. That's one way you can make money from YouTube, right? Let's take a look at fastest trains. You can actually come here and take fastest trains. And guys, what you need to do here, you want to become creative and just put some tweaks. Fast trains, just put some tweaks, some tests, and your authenticity and how you look, some good thumbnails based on you. So here's the same thing. Click on this video. After you've clicked on that, on the video, come to the YouTube downloader. Okay, come to the YouTube downloader. After you've clicked the YouTube video, remember to click the video URL, YouTube downloader, paste it, paste, click start. So I've clicked start, it will load to bring you your video, and then click download. After you've downloaded, you can actually edit it with the software. If you have any editing software, I will recommend use VSDC. It's one of amazing software that you can use to actually edit your videos. Okay, so that's how you can make money on YouTube. That's one way that you can make money on YouTube. We have a lot of ways on how you can make money on YouTube, and let's jump to the second part. The second part will be transcribing. Okay, transcribing. I just did a Google, and the definition of the word transcribing. What is transcribing? Put thoughts, speech, or data into written or printed form. So what I want you to do is stick with me up to the end, because I'm actually going to give you a bonus, and I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs and also the website and software that you can use to start transcribing so that you may get paid. So what you want to focus is transcribing audios into text. All right, that's what I'll be focusing on, and let's actually jump into the practicality of this. So let me give you the first bonus. You cannot use Mozilla Firefox. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, you can't use it. You can only use the transcribe site on Chrome. Okay, and on Chrome it's known as the Transcribe Me. All right, Transcribe Me. So what you want to do is just search on Google Transcribe Me, and it will bring you to this site whereby you can create your account. And let me tell you some of the things that you needed. No need to look for work, it comes to you. Transcribe wherever and whenever you are, 24/7. This is a very good stuff to work from home. Work as much as little as you like. Transcribe short 2 to 4 minutes clips, not long interview. 2 to 4 minutes clips, right? 2 to 4 minutes clips. And I want to show you how you can actually get paid from this and what software you can use to actually make your transcription easy. So here's how you create an account. Come here, fill your name, fill all these details, put your password and everything. I won't do that for now. And also select your language and put some more details information here. And let me share with you what software. When you get in, you'll need to actually answer some few questions so that you may get approved. So when you get approved into Transcribe Me and you want to make your work easier, what are you supposed to do? Stick around with me because this is the bonus. What you want to do is you want to just come on Google and Google Google Docs, right? Google Docs, Google docs. And hey, remember, you are only supposed, this will only work on this will only work on Chrome. Okay, Google Docs, you click on Google Docs, and then here it will bring you something like this: docs, sheets, slides. Go to Google Docs, you'll click here. Right after you've clicked, go to Google Docs, come to a blank. So remember, on Transcribe Me, what you're doing is you're transcribing audio into written words. And I want to give you this bonus. Congratulations for you to staying up here. I know you're serious and you really want to crush it. So take a look on how you can do this. As you're listening to your audios from Transcribe Me, I tell you, I did a test, I was approved, and hey, you can actually just come and do even without you listening and speaking. What you want to come here is go to tools. After going to tools, go to voice typing. As soon as you click voice typing and you click on the voice as you're speaking, it will start recording itself. So on Transcribe Me, what happens is you're given an audio, and that audio, it will be speaking. So all you just want to do is play, hit the play button on the audio, and after hitting the play button on the audio, you come and activate this mic. Take a look at when I activate this mic, what will be happening as I'm speaking. I want to transcribe a document from Transcribe Me, and I have given out this as a bonus to anyone who is watching this video. Congratulations, hope you have learned a new skill. Make sure to register on Transcribe Me, and after you have registered on Transcribe Me, you can use the Google Chrome to get into Google Docs, and after getting into Google Docs, you are able to click the tools button. After clicking the tools button, it will send you to a mic and you can record your transcription, and this is how you make money on Transcribe Me. Bang! You guys, take a look at how easy was this and how fast was it. And remember, Transcribe Me says that all you need to do is transcribe 2 minutes video, 2 to 4 minutes clips, audios, and you can be making money when you're sleeping. You guys, all you just need to is activate the Transcribe Me. Make sure you've been accepted. Go to your Google Chrome, hit that, go the tools button, hit the, and then hit the record button, and it will record for you. And that's how amazing it is. Hey, if you're getting value from this, make sure to hit that subscription button below, and also remember to drop your comment if you're getting great value from my tips and tricks. So the other thing is freelancing, all right? And also here, make sure to stick around, walk with me guys, because I'm showing you how you can really freelance on Upwork, and I'm showing you, if you've never done this before, you don't need any skill, no any skill required, no money is needed, and you can focus on actually creating banners for people outside there looking to brand their businesses, they're looking to brand themselves. So you can actually combine these two sites, Upwork and Canva. And let me jump back into it and let me show you how you can use Upwork and Canva. So what you want to do is come here at Upwork. Okay, when you Google Upwork, here's what it will bring to you. It will be showing you how Upwork works. Make sure you register. After you've registered, what you can start doing is now you can start looking for people who want you to do for them banners, and now you can combine this with Canva. So find rewarding projects. This is how it works. Find rewarding projects. Okay, freedom to work on idea projects. You can get hired quickly and work efficiently. I want us to get paid on time. All right, all invoices and payment happen through Upwork. Count on a simple and streamlined process, hourly fixed prices, and they said how many they pay dollars. So 20% 20% fast, $500, 500 to 10,000. Get 10%, 10,000 you get 5%. So what you want to come here is just come and look at what they're offering. Okay, come and look at what they're offering. So watch how you can use Canva now to create banners. All you want to go is Google Canva, open an account, logging into your account, and after you've logged into your account, this is how it will be looking like. Okay, and what you can be doing is you can be creating good, amazing graphics. For example, you can take a look at thumbnails. People are always looking for people to make them thumbnails for their YouTube channel. For example, this is the thumbnail of this YouTube channel that you're looking. The other one is you can actually do a lot of things with Canva. So all you just want to do here is come, log in, and you can take a look at creator design. Look, creator design, you can create a YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, LinkedIn banners, Facebook story, flyers. Stick around as we get back into the presentation, because you can also use Canva to do social media marketing. All right, you can use Canva to do social media marketing. So hope you're getting great value, hope you're getting great content. And this is digital marketing, the one I'm telling you. So it's all about social media marketing, and what you want to do is you want to help people build their brands. I've shown you how you can use Canva, and Canva can really help you out in this. You want to also connect with customers. You can help businesses outside there connect with customers by helping them by building their brand, promote products and services, convert visitors into customers. This is digital marketers. And the digital marketers, what you do is you are using social media, and you can use free and paid traffic. The other side is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you join and partner with someone or a company, and you help them promote their product. And after you helping them promote their product, they're giving you a certain percent of the income that you're making. Maybe it's 50%, 60%, 40%, or 30%. That is where most of the affiliate marketing companies range. And what you do is you earn money without referring anybody, and also without actually doing the work of creating the product. All you just need to do is market, and that's the exact way, and that's the exact system that I want to show you. And also now, thanks for actually sticking around up to the end. I want to show you how you can really work on affiliate marketing. So if you're watching my YouTube video, this video, what I want you to do here is, if you're looking for a way that you can really make good money, I want you to come here and click. I know you've already clicked on the video, so you're already seen the content. After you've clicked on the video, I want you to come on the description, all right? And after on the description, click on my #1 recommended way to make money online. As soon as you click on this, it will take you to a document that will really explain to you everything that you're doing to make money online. And this now is, you can become an affiliate, you can become a partner. And what you have done for us is, we are really helping you build a sustainable and high profitable business by really holding your hand. So we'll have a document like this. We'll show you how to market your business online. And what we'll be doing here is, this is a PDF. As soon as you click it, it's a PDF. It explains to you each and every step on what we are doing to actually crash it online, and what we'll be walking you through. And after you've read all the PDF and everything that will be helping you work on, what you want to do here is come and click there. All right, after clicking there, it will send you to my website. I call it a landing page, and just watch this 2 minutes video, discover these 3 simple steps that will allow you to earn money from your phone during these uncertain times. Fill in your names, email, and phone number, and click I want to see more. I want to see more. It will send you to another video, and after that, I'll actually be taking out it from there. I'll be sending you an email. Make sure to take a look at your email to show you how you can really make sustainable income from your phone. Hope you've gotten great value. Thanks for sticking around up to the end. That's the bonus that I wanted to really give you. And also remember to hit that subscription button. And also, after you've hit that subscription button, remember, sharing is caring. Share this video to your friend who is stuck at home and he's looking for different ways that they can make money online. Be blessed. Have a good time. Let's meet tomorrow on my next upload. Cheers.